I thought of just making a video on payment gateway for add to cart feature, guys. Then I realized I should be signed in before doing any sort of payments, guys. So we are going to integrate, like if I talk about, I'm going to integrate Stripe payment gateway in this video series. If you are looking for some razor based kind of stuff, we already did that in our ASP.NET MVC query series, so you can check out in our sister channel also. So in this today's video, we are going to integrate a provider for login and sign up. There are many providers. If you talk about, one is Clerk, second one is Nextjs, and third one is Auth0, and there are many providers which can help you to write a login and sign up. You can develop your own login and sign up. उसके लिए आपको you need some नमक मिर्च. अगर नमक मिर्च डालोगे तो लेमन चुट जाएगी आपकी, क्योंकि इतनी दिक्कत होने वाली है, हैकर्स बैठा हुआ है, तो आपको नमक मिर्च डालना जरूरी है अगर आप खुद का बना रहे हैं. तो you will be saving your data like in your database. So you need a JWT as well as namak mirch. And if you are providing any sort of auth provider or kind of stuff, so you can either if you are going with Next.js, you can add it in your database, or you can use their social providers. Auth0 has their own database. So Auth0, if you're using Auth0 by Okta, then it will save in their database. So you don't have to worry about the privacy reasons, or you can say like how the data have to the don't have to worry of the about namak milk and these things. So you can directly go with Auth0. So I'm going to the Auth0 site. These are the Auth0 site. This is Auth0 site. You can see, first of all you have to sign in Auth0, and you have to install this Auth0 package. Okay, and then you have to do these secrets and these things. I will show you how you can do this, and for that you need a env.local file. I think we have a env.local file. There we mention our Mongo URI. So here we have to mention the Auth0. Why I'm going with Auth0, and later I'm going to tell you something, guys. Vast and end. So let me go to the Auth0 site. I'm going to the Auth0 site, and here I have to do a sign up. So I will be clicking on the sign up, and you can sign up using the email or your providers. So I'm going to use us sign up. Let me do that. So why I'm not covering Nextjs, because I already did this in my one of my website. So that's the reason I'm not covering. But later on we will be covering that as well. I'm clicking on this. जो चीज मैंने ऑलरेडी कर लिया ना, उसको अच्छा मैं जो कुछ नहीं किया कभी वो उसको देखते हैं. तो अभी हम यहाँ पे, and I'm going to give the password. Done. Let me click on the continue, and it is going to sign up. Okay, so let me give the company. Okay, I can give other. I need advanced settings. Next, let me go to the next. Yeah, auto. Yeah, this is my auth. Yeah, I will. Okay, I'm choosing US only. We can choose any of the centers here. By default center I'm going to choose. Set up the tenant and you know why I'm making this video, guys. This kind of video you will get in internet, but only thing, they're not making a single page application. What they are doing, their page is reloading. So what's the point of making a single page application when it's reloading? Some might counter later on. Let's talk about that in the way. Okay, let me go to the applications. I can create a new application. Uh, uh, use me use I'm going to go to single page application. You can go with nat. A single page is fine. We are developing single page application. Let me go to the single page. Okay. Their domains and these things. Let's go one by one what they are saying. Configure the callback URL. So I'm going to do the callback URL. For now I'm keeping up this URL. Later on when you are deploying to, you need that URL. You can do copy commas heavy, guys. So I'm not going to do that. What it is saying, configure callback URL. Na? So callback URI, this one. Application login URI. I'm not keeping. Yeah, logout URL. I'm going to give this one 3000, and allowed web origin also this one. Local 1000, 3000. Rest is fine. I'm not doing any sort of things, guys. If I need, I'm going to do that. Save changes. I'm going to click on the save changes. Okay. So I have this. Okay, I have to open it again because I need the client ID and these things. Now what they are showing, yeah, you can see like logout URL you can mention, and this one, or two things I have to mention. And after that, I'm going to click on this npm install this package. So let me go to here. Let me click stop the application, and let me open this one. Yeah. I'm going to install package. Let me install the npm I and this package. This is installing the auth0 package. Now let me run this again. I have done with this one. So in this I have to mention these things, guys. Let me copy paste and this one. Okay, let me copy this one. And where is that env.local? And now I have to mention these things. Okay, so auth secret you have to do author a base URL, your domain. Where is my domain? Where is my domain? This is my domain. Let me copy this. Now I need client secret and client ID. By this thing you should not show to anyone, guys. Yeah, ये छुपा के रखने का इसको. Let me paste the copy. I'm showing you. I don't need it. I'm going to remove that later. This is for demo purpose. If you see, all well, does not matter. Let me copy paste these. I'm going to go here to be. I'm giving a auth secret. You can give any auth secret. So I give this auth secret. Fine. This is fine. This is auth and these things I did that. Now I have to go where? Let me go. Yeah, this is also remove it. Don't need it. Let me run the application. Npm run dev. Okay, it's running. Fine. Now what I have to do? Let me go here and see the instructions what these guys are saying. Okay, this quick start is in Nigeria. If you are using page order, check out this example. Yeah, I'm going to do app or router only. So what doing? Okay, env.local I did that. Okay, I need this provider and this should be there in our layout.js. Have this provider. Let me go here and I'm going to import this one user provider and I'm going to wrap it. See, I'm going to wrap it in this way user provider. Let me wrap that in the user provider. I'm just doing some sort of styling here and I'm done with the layout.js. Now I'm done with the layout.js. Now I'm going to go with the login and these things are there and I have to create this one. If you see, I have to do this one. So what it is saying, route.js API slash auth app slash API auth. She's saying whatever API slash what you have to do API के अंदर ना API inside that I have to do one more folder auth. ये यार एक मिनट रुको API के अंदर डैशबोर्ड कहाँ से आ गया. Yeah, I'm going to click on the API auth. Inside that I have to create auth0 one more folder auth0 and inside that what I have to create a route.tsx. Yeah, I will be creating a file here route.tsx. Copy paste this thing, go to here and paste it. So done with this one route.tsx. Now what I have to do? See, I'm done with. Now I have to do a login. So login simple. I have to do this one. Okay, export default function return. Let me create a button here for now, guys. If I go to here, I need a button here. So I will go to navbar, and there I have to do. Let me see. Lot of contents are there now, guys. Let me add a link tag, and link is by default self-closing tag or what? Yeah, link is at self. No, it's not a link. What is it accepting? href is meant. Let me give you now, guys. Wait for a second. And href, where from where I will be getting that? I will be getting the href equal to this one. Href, yeah. API slash login href. Now let me add some classes here. Font medium. I'm giving a font medium. Tracking width set for letter spacing. Let me give tracking wide and let me give a white capitalize transition colors duration 300 duration for transition duration. Let me give a transform and it's going to be bg blue 600 rounded lg over or over bg blue 500. Cool. I'm going to give a focus outline none. Focus ring blue and this is going to be 300. अरे दादा. Focus again. Focus ring opacity 80 किलो होने वाले हैं. Okay, so we are done with this one and I'm going to click on the this is going to be a login client page as well. You could do that, guys. Okay, so I'm going to give a padding px6 and adding of 2. Let's see what's I'm getting. Yeah, I'm getting this login button, how it's looking nice. Okay, let me click on the login button and see what is going to happen. Yeah, if you see here, I am getting this button, login. Now I can click on this login and click on the sign up. For now, let me do a login and sign up. Okay, so let me go with, I can click on the sign up button. Let me click on the sign up button. See, sign up. Now I can do whatever. Let's sign up here in Auth0 and see what's going to happen. Okay, so let me give this email ID, and this is, yeah, fine. Let me click on the continue button. See, click on never. Arre, never na. And accept, or you can accept or decline. So I'm clicking on the accepted button. See, it's login. Okay, it's login. But how I will say like it's login or not, login button has not changed. So because for that I have to do something. Let's see that as well in this video. So if you see login and logout is, yeah, for logout I need this one. So let's do one thing. For logout also keep a button. Okay, let me copy paste this one, and this is going to be a logout button, and this is going to have an API slash logout. Okay, it's fine. Now for server side, you can write this code, or client side you can write this code. So let's see what we have here. I'm writing a server side. Okay, I'm going with a here so client side. Okay, so I can do this thing in the client side only. Yeah, okay. I'm going with the client side for now. Server side also I'm going to show you a bit. Like, let me copy paste here. I import this user, and now I will be going here what they are saying. I want from use user, use this one. Okay, const everything is fine. Let me keep it here. Okay, I get user as well. Okay, if loading, if error kind of stuff. Yeah, I'm going to add these later on when I'm going to add this toaster kind of stuff. For now, I'm going to do user and, okay, user and I can do that. If the user is there, let me do one thing. User there, then show this. If user is there, then show this, and here not of user, then show this. Cool. Let me show you the code what I written. I forgot to add a bracket because they didn't give me the bracket. So bracket have to give not of user and user. If it is there, then show it to log out. So just simply I added this user. I'm using this one user. Okay, it's fine. Let me go to here. See here the logout button is coming. Okay, fine. One more thing, let me do that in this video only. Server side, let me show you guys. Okay, so for that I don't need a API. I need some user profile kind of stuff. I can go with dashboard, or I can write it here. Okay, okay. Let me go here only, like directly I'm doing that. Okay, later on let's see that. Let me create a dashboard here, dashboard, and then I'm going to create a one more profile, folder kind of stuff, user profile. Okay, inside that I'm going to create a page.tsx. Okay, everyone is creating tsx, not .tsx. If you see here also tsx and tsx. Okay, server side. So I need this one. Let me copy this one and give. Okay, let me copy the whole thing instead of doing a single thing. Let me do a copy paste. Export user. User does not exist in this one. Why it's not showing? So I just did any here. Just any I have to add it, and then I can have a image is there, and h2p and username and email. And if I go to this site, it is going to show you me this one. Yeah, fine. I can click on the home button. I can click on the dashboard slash. Let me show you again with the profile, and it is going to give me this one. Yeah, it's showing again. It's taking some time. If I click on the logout button, it is going to, yeah. Now see, it says login is coming. I can log in it. I can sign out. Yeah, it's going to तुरंत login कर रहा है seriously. ये ठीक है. It is taking from cache. I can think so. And this is you can log in using these things. Yeah, fine. This was a video like of auth0 we covered like how we can integrate auth, and this is somewhat similar website, guys. It also shows you like how you can write. Everything is same, guys. Yeah, it is also doing the same thing. Endpoint and these things. Yeah, it's fine. Next auth. Yeah, and these things are put an API route. Or also, like we are going to do this in the upcoming videos, guys. Let me click on the logout button and show you one thing, guys. ध्यान देखना मैं लॉगआउट पे क्लिक कर रहा हूँ. This page is reloading. What is happening? Why the page is reloading, guys? If I click on the login button, again the page is reloading, guys. Let me click it here and this one. Let me click on here. Login is there. I will click on the login. Page is reloading. It is showing the another. Then it is the most important counter. It's redirecting because of the reason the domain is different. But that is somewhat fishy, guys. We are developing a single page application. In our website, the page should not reload at any cost. But here it's reloading. How to fix that? I tried to fix that in this one auth, but I was not able to do that, guys, because somehow redirect false option is not available in the logout and these, and in the login also. Like I'm trying to do that, I did that, and what's happening, like it's not able to close the browser. The one way is, guys, a new browser window should open, and there is login and these things. When you done it, that Windows window is going to close, and this is not going to reload, and it is this is most of the websites are using Canva, and these six websites are also using. But the only thing, this was not able to work because it was not closing the window, the next window, because the sessions was not getting changed in the use effect. Session was somehow like session was having some issue like use effect. So what to do, guys? So what I've thought of, like, let's give up this auto. I'm going to show you in the upcoming videos how we can integrate Nextjs. Nextjs has this facility. We can use a single page application without reloading the page, guys. In logout also, I can add redirect false, so it is not going to reload the page, guys. Because of that, I'm going to switch to Nextjs. And clerk also, we can explore that. I've never used clerk, so we can use clerk. And later on, I'm going to show you like to develop your login and register and save the database, save the data in your database, and with the help of, guys, नमक मिर्च भी, नमक मिर्च बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो अगर नहीं यूज करोगे तो डैमेज हो जाएगी आफ्टर ending the video. You can go to this website authentication and then click on the social. So once you click on the social, like Google Auth is enabled, I can click on the create connection, and it can give me different provider. Just an example, I need to integrate one of the provider. For example, there are a lot of providers available. For let's do for one thing, let me go. I need something digital ocean. I need, guys, I can click on the digital ocean and I can click on the continue. Okay, so for digital ocean I need a client ID and secret. This is going to come from when you sign up in the digital ocean. I'm going to go back here and I can create a lot of things. Like I can go with LinkedIn, Bitbucket, GitHub, PayPal Sandbox, Amazon is there, Line is there, Yahoo. Let me go to the Salesforce once and let me end the video. Guys, Salesforce also I can integrate, and here I have to give a consumer key and consumer secret, and then I can click on the create button. Okay, before without using that only I did this. Let me use this one. Okay, I didn't added any sort of, you can see that one client is secret, so it will not work at but let me go to here. I will click on the login button, and let me click on the login button. So I have continue with Salesforce here, so I can click on the continue with Salesforce, and this is going to redirect to the Salesforce website. Yeah, fine. You can add as many provider as you can. Let me add few more providers and show you, guys. Fatafat. I'm going to add few more social connection. Let me add few more. Fatafat. Let me add few more connections here. Let me click on the Dropbox. Continue. Create social connection. I'm creating few more. So let me do that. I can create WebView. I don't know what's this WebView. Let me click on the WebView. I'm adding few more connections to see like how it's going to happen, guys, when the page how it's looking nice or not. Badu also, let me add it. Badu, not Dadu, it's Badu. Okay, okay. Add Badu, but Badu, no application added kind of stuff. Let me go to the applications and click on this. I added few connections. यार इसको ज़्यादा चुनने store में login करो. Let me click on the create connections and I'm adding few more D account as well, and this is going to be the last one that I'm going to add it. I'm going to click on the create. Okay, it's not allowing me to create without connections. We do Discord. I think it's going to add it. Anybody know what's Figma? Figma is basically used for. Okay, now it's not allowing without client ID secret, guys. Yeah, it's something new, guys. Yeah, so let's see. Before that, let me click on the Yammer. It's required or not. Yeah, if client ID secret is not required for now. Let me click on the Yammer as well. Now see, let me see how many data is there. Let me reload the page. Let me click on the login one. See, it's coming below all these. You can add social providers here. The user will be clicking on, for example, let me click on this one. Okay, this is 400. Might be this website is not allowed in our region, guys. Okay, fine. So this is how we can integrate auto and these things. Let me click on the Yammer one. I feel like Yammer is required, it's available, and other websites also. You can click on this Baidu one if it, okay. Baidu is also not allowed, guys, here. Fine. I will meet you in the next video. This video was of how we can get auto in our Next.js.